Yeah, yeah.
No, I'm with her. Thank you. What's that duck? Record it. It's recording. It's hold it. Perfect.
Okay. Did you eat that before?
Yes.
You want to show you first how you eat? Because somewhere it is different. Is the cake different pancake? You want to do all for you, or like you do by yourself?
Yep, that's good.
That's good. That's good. You do by yourself? Okay, help yourself.
Thank you. So good. It's like really juicy and crunchy, and there's this sauce. It's like a sour tamarind tasting sauce.
Do you want to try it on camera?
Yeah, I know. Because so you know what here, and then no one here. This is like one of the local signage right. It's like one here, one there. They were
They're funny. They're so funny.
Talk about some fresh food. That's the road. That's the road.
I see him Saturday night. I'm having a
There's only girls in there.
Huh?
There's only girls.
Kind of seeing where that takes you, what makes you happy in terms of what you're putting out there and what people are receptive to.
You get to do at, wait, you're at the world famous, like the Herald Square.
I am.
You're right there in the thick of it all.
Yeah, right in the middle of everything. The chaos, the good, the bad.
Again, it's super important for you, for people, and for
Anything else?
That's it.
Total is gonna be $674.